619-A. Please tell us something about yourself.
Hi, good day to my future employer in Hong Kong. My name is Roxanne Chumapog. I am 26 years old. I am married and I have one child. He is a 7-year-old boy. We are 6 in the family. I have a 4 brother and I have 1 sister. I am 4th in the family. I am a college undergraduate. I took up Bachelor of Science in Psychology, but then, unfortunately, I did not finish it because of a financial problem. But I'm lucky because I finished a vocational course. I took up Healthcare Provider Services course.
Okay, please tell me something about your working experience.
With regards to my working experience, ma'am, sir, I've been a nanny, a housemaid for almost 2 years. I started from February 2009 until November 2011 to Mr. and Mrs. Wasan here in the family. I served 5 persons in the family, consisting 4 adults and a 5-year-old boy. I took care of the 5-year-old boy.
So they take care of the 5-year-old boy?
Yes, ma'am.
So how do you take care of the 5-year-old boy?
I took care of him by washing his clothes, preparing his foods, and by tutoring him, ma'am.
Aside from that, what else?
My duties and responsibility to the family is by washing their clothes, by ironing their clothes, and sometimes I do gardening, ma'am.
Okay, so why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because I believe that this country will help me to fulfill the good future I want for my family. I can earn money for my son's good future, ma'am.
So do you know how to cook Chinese dishes?
Yes, ma'am, I know how to cook Chinese dishes, such as steamed chicken, buttered chicken, a boiled soup, and a fried vegetable, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, what are the good characteristics of a domestic helper?
The good characteristic of a good domestic helper is that she has the passion in her work. If you have the passion, if you have the love your work, everything will follow. You will be hardworking, you will have patience, you will be kind, a respectful domestic helper, and you will love the kids you are taking care of.
Okay, so what are your other skills you can do inside the house?
I can do laundry, I can do cooking, baking. I can bake, ma'am, and I can also wash the car.
Lastly, what are your message to your future employer?
Hi to my dear future employer in Hong Kong. If you will choose me as your domestic helper, I promise that I will give you my best service. I will give my whole heart to give the service you want. I promise that I'm going to finish my 2 years contract, and I believe that this is not just a contract, it is a commitment between you and me. I will give the respect you want me to give you. Thank you very much.